Late night on a Friday, we of course are looking towards the weekend, just a few hours away. We do have some showers here, Amory and Smithville, just east of Fulton, also towards Hamilton, Alabama. We've seen some rain in Sulligent and Vernon, but this is fairly light nuisance activity out there right now. Let's talk about these rainy days in January in Tupelo and Columbus. About half of the month had days with measurable rainfall. Let's compare that to Seattle. 28 out of 31 days this month having rain in Seattle. Very, very wet out there, wet down here as well. A slight chance for a shower tonight. We have a little bit of rain out there at this point, but a slight chance for a shower tomorrow still. But the better opportunities will come Tuesday into Wednesday. And this is just one quick solution here, 1 to several inches of rain possible. And we'll refine this as we get a little bit closer once we get past the weekend. And we also have to toss out the chance for some strong storms here Tuesday into Wednesday. The Storm Prediction Center broad brushing the opportunity here as we get into those days, but we'll of course fine tune things later on. Let's go into South Florida right now. There's actually a severe thunderstorm warning right here, including the Miami metro area. This goes until 11:45. I believe that is Eastern time, and you can see this big line of storms moving through parts of South Florida. And of course, folks gathering down there for that big football game on Sunday. For us, we do have some cloud cover out there right now. You certainly know it. Tomorrow morning, we'll start off with a lot of cloud cover somewhere in the 40s, back into the low 50s by midday. And during the afternoon and evening, a quick clearing trend from west to east. Highs will be somewhere in the mid 50s, we think. And let's just punch ahead into Sunday morning, a clear and cold start, mid 30s. But as we get into your Sunday, look at this. This is the spring fever we were talking about. Mid to upper 60s here, warmer 70s back to the west, and it will be a pretty mild start to February overall. So tomorrow morning we'll have some clouds around and some breaks, but probably more clouds than breaks. And then the clouds will move on through during the course of the day. And look at that. Just like a miracle, a lot of sunshine here for our Sunday. Now, next week, we mentioned this Tuesday and Wednesday, a cold front comes on in, some heavy rain potential. A few strong storms can't be ruled out, but ahead of it, we stay very spring-like with those 60s and 70s. So let's go to your AccuWeather 70 forecast and show you what we're talking about here. 55 tomorrow, 36 tomorrow night, 68 on Sunday. A little dose of spring fever for us. Clouds increase, but still very nice on Monday. Cash 68. Still warm Tuesday and Wednesday with those storms and showers possible before we'll cool things down by Thursday and Friday.
Gotcha. Well, Keith, I just looked it up, and Groundhog Day started in 1887.
It's been happening for a while here, but the groundhog, let's just say, doesn't really have a lot of success.
I know, but why would we do it for so long?
It's just fun times for